Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian, and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here at Remote Philippines Jump. So let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here in the company. So please let's all welcome Miss Angelica Gueran. Hi Miss Angelica.
I'm doing good, I'm feeling good, and sobrang excited ako na ma-share yung experience ko for 2 months na working with Remote Jobs Philippines.
Wow, me too. I'm really excited to hear more about you, Miss Angelica. Okay, so before we start, Miss, can you please introduce yourself first to our audience?
Hello everyone, I'm Angelica, and I'm so excited to share with you my experience working remotely through Remote Jobs Philippines and how it changed my daily routine and also work-life balance.
So there's really changes in your lifestyle upon joining here at RPJ. Okay, so to start with my question, Miss Angelica, agad-agad.
Yes, diretso tayo.
Diretso tayo. So my first question to you, what was your honest reaction when you first got accepted here? So when we go back to the time when you got accepted here, what was your honest reaction back?
So, honest reaction ko talaga, feeling ko, fake siya or scam. Kasi sabi ko, alam, bilis naman ang process. Sabi ko, ganun. Kasi kapag ka-apply ko lang, parang siguro wala pang, or within 1 week, a week lang, hired na agad ako, may email na agad. So, syempre ako, nagulat ako. Syempre, di ba, alam naman natin dito sa Philippines, ang hiring process ay matagal talaga, mabagal, ang dami pa pinagdadaanan. Dito, since first time kong working remotely, nagulat ako, sabi ko, ganito ba talaga kapag remote work ka nag-a-apply, ganyan, syempre, nag-search din ako. Well, it turned out na hindi naman pala siya scam. Talagang mabilis lang talaga yung process. And doon ako sobrang na-excite na, hala, okay, bagong opportunity, bagong experiences. Mas may-improve ko pa yung life ko and also yung career ko with this experience.
True, I agree. Thank you so much for that, Miss. Even I, napapatanong ako, like, what? Agad-agad, hired agad-agad, tapos ang
Yes.
agad. So, nakakapaniwa kasi that here in the Philippines, or mostly agencies, like, it really takes time for us to get hired, to get started, di ba? So, yun, same pala tayo na experience.
Yes.
So, eventually, pagkato natin, hindi pala siya scam. Okay, and now we are starting and doing this testimonial. So, thank you so much, Miss Angelica, for really, parang risking yourself na, sige, try lang natin. Parang ganun, try
Yes.
lang natin. Okay. So, next question to you would be, what stood out to you, Miss, or what stood out to you the most during your onboarding or your training session here at RPJ?
What stood out to me is yung pagiging approachable siguro ng mentors ko, no? Especially Miss Mary. Si Miss Mary kasi yung nag-onboard sa akin, and every day, no, siguro for 3 days ata, 3 days kami nagka-training call. May process talaga siya na sinusunod. Tinuturuan niya talaga ako ng maayos. Also, kapag may questions din ako, welcome yun. And also, mas na-appreciate nila yun kasi mas feeling ko, kikita nila na gusto ko talagang matutunan yung process. So, doon ako na okay, sinusundan talaga sila na SOP and everything has SOP. So, lahat ng mga tasks na ginagawa ko as a VA, lahat yun merong process. So, kapag ako, kunwari, may nakalimutan ako, may gagawin akong task na ganito, then nakalimutan ko, hala, pwede kaya yun? I-check ko lang sa SOP and ayun, wala na akong masyadong na-encounter na errors kasi sinusunod ko yung SOP.
True, I agree. So that's why also that here in our company nga, we are hiring newbies or no experience kasi all trainings, all SOPs are provided naman. So you don't have to worry, guys, if you don't have any experience or transitioning like Miss Angelica, first time working remotely, not a problem talaga here at RPJ. As mentioned nga, there's an SOP, there's training na provided with the company. So you don't have to worry about it at all. Thank you so much, Miss Angelica, for that one. So next question I have here, Miss, is in regard to the team dynamics because it's really important also that you belong to a peaceful and really helpful work environment. So my question to you would be, do you feel more comfortable now with the team compared to your first week or first month?
Yes, of course. Feeling ko ngayon talagang nasa team ako kasi kapag kunwari meron, for example, may need improve and then napansin nyo ng isa, mag-open siya sa amin and kami naman, magbibigay naman kami ng sarili naming opinion, sarili naming suggestions and lahat din naman yung ma-acknowledge. Hindi naman kailangan na, ayun ang gawin natin ganyan. Pero doon, nafe-feel ko na okay, I'm really on the team na may suggestions matter and kung ano yung mga idea ko. So, feeling ko ngayon, komportable ako kesa nung umpisa. Syempre, pag bago ka, lagi ka naman mangangapa na, pwede kaya, yung mga ganun, syempre, mahihiya ka pa. Pero ngayon, good thing din na kapag may naiisip ako na ideas and also suggestions, na-open ko rin siya and hindi na ako natatakot or hindi ako nahihiya na baka ganito may isip nila. Hindi. Mas feeling ko, mas comfortable ako mag-share ng thoughts ko and also ideas ko ngayon.
That's good, that's good. Yan yung maganda. Yan lang naman yung hinahanap natin with work, right? Na parang na-acknowledge nila yung parang sabihin or yung mga opinions natin for the work to like parang may improvement, ganun. So, I'm happy na you've experienced that kind or that one, Miss Angelica. The next question I have here, Miss, is in regards to the growth and experience for your journey here at RPJ. I know not that long, but I just want to ask, how have you grown since joining here in the company? And also, what are the skills that develop in you na parang hindi mo in-expect?
Sa akin naman, feeling ko, kung i-compare ko naman yung sarili ko before sa work ko, sa ngayon, nakita ko naman na meron akong malalaking improvement. So, nung last work ko kasi, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng problem with time management, no? So, lahat naman tayo hirap lalo na kapag nagmo-multitasking tayo. Pero ngayon, mas nalaline up ko na yung mga task ko na hindi na ako nagra-rattle kasi before, muna ako, syempre OA tayo. ano muna tayo na, ano unahin ko ganyan. So ngayon, may listahan na ako ng kung anong gagawin ko everyday. So syempre, since nag-work na ako remotely, nag-work na ako remotely, before ako mag-start ng shift ko, okay, this is what I'm gonna do today. And kung hindi to magawang agad, so proceed muna tayo sa next. Doon ako naging confident na, okay, kaya ko naman palang mag-time management. So nung una, hindi lang talaga kasi siguro dahil rin yung sa effect ng pagod sa traffic before, di ba? Sa preparations, nagigising ka ng maaga, hindi para lang bumiyahe and mag-prepare, hindi mo masyadong na-prepare yung sarili mo mentally doon sa trabaho. So dito, since kunwari may shift starts at 3 p.m., kahit 2:30 mag-in na ako or kaya gumising na ako, ayusin ko lang yung tasks ko for the day and then okay na ako. So yun yung mas nag-improve sa akin, yung time management.
So I agree with you, Miss Kat. Kasi kapag andun tayo sa traffic or we are going to like corporate jobs, hindi talaga natin na-adjust yung time natin or hindi natin alam kung kailan aabot tayo doon kasi because of traffic, ganyan. So,
yun pa yung focus natin. Kung aabot tayo sa office.
So, sobrang hirap talaga mag-manage na. Kasi hindi natin alam yung mga circumstances na may experience natin everyday. Especially if merong traffic, ganon siya. So, thank you so much for that one, Miss Angelica. So, next question I have here, Miss, this is really like personal on more about your growth here. What's been your proudest moment, if ever meron man, what's been your proudest moment working here so far?
Yung proudest moment ko siguro yung binigyan ako ni boss ng bonus kasi nagkaroon parang nasatisfy siya dun sa work ko. So parang syempre coming from an office job before, mahirap talaga na mapapraise ka sa ginagawa mo na with bonus kasi bihira lang yun dito sa Philippines, 'di ba? So sa ano naman, yun yung pinaka parang na-proud ako na okay, nagustuhan niyo boss yung performance ko with this specific task and first time ko maka-receive ng performance bonus dahil doon. Kaya sobrang na-proud ako na parang mas lalo pa akong na-encourage na to do more and to be better na okay, hindi kailangan perfect pero kailangan lagi ka nag-i-improve doon sa ginagawa mo sa task mo. Kasi kung paulit-ulit yan, may mga tao kasi na pag paulit-ulit mo yung ginagawa nila, parang nasasawa sila and all. So, i-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Nagawa ko na, since nagkaroon ako ng experience na magkaroon ng performance bonus, ganyan, mas lalo pa ako na-encourage na to do better and to be more, na para mas lalo kong i-shape yung skills na yun and also kung ano pa yung mga kailangan kong i-work on pa.
Wow! So, ang ganda naman. Parang nakaka-inspire magtrabaho.
Yes.
Grabe magtrabaho. So, meron performance bonus. Pwede ba po utang job?
Nawala na eh. Naubos na agad.
But ano pa yung role mo ngayon here at RPJ?
Sa akin naman po, virtual assistant, lead scraping, and nung una nag-test din ako ng boss. And then, IG outreach din.
Okay, so purely non-voice na lahat?
Yes po, purely non-voice. Kaya namimiss ko na makipag-usap eh. Kaya sabi ko, okay, testimonial interview, makakapagdaldal na tayo. Pero jokes, kidding aside, meron naman ako ngayon time na lalo para sa sarili ko and family and also friends. So may mga nakakausap naman ako palagi.
True. It's really important then to have like a fun time to have this from other people, diba? Kasi parang isolated na tayo. Working with
True.
So, I really like talking with testimonial, something like to get creates and also parang may makausap din talaga.
Yes.
Lang dito sa working remotely. Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss Angelica. And I hope guys that will inspire you, no? Kasi meron ditong performance bonus.
Yes, meron talaga.
Experience Miss Angelica. So I hope na basta gagawin niyo lang talaga yung best niyo. It's like what Miss Angie did. Like, gawin niyo lang talaga yung best mo. Tapos kapag nasatisfy yung boss natin, eventually meron talaga yun. It's either promotion or bonus. Parang ganun lang. Ganun lang talaga.
Oo, yan.
We just want you guys to experience what we experience here at RPJ. Yun lang naman talaga. Siguro, yeah, it's just normal to feel na, at first, it might be a scam, something like that. But eventually, if you're gonna be talking to real people, lalo na pagkasahod ka na, hindi pala to scam. Bakit tayo natatrabaho? Yeah, kidding aside, next question I have here is, this is like funny moment of yours here. I just wanna ask, what's the funniest mistake you've made at work so far, if meron man? Or if you can remember na meron man, kasi sobrang perfect yung Miss Angelica, kasi karoon siya bonus, guys. So that's why siguro hindi na siya nagka-mistake.
Okay, so sa akin naman po, syempre nagkaroon din ako ng mistake kasi you'll never learn eh. Kapag di ka nagkakaroon ng mistakes, doon ka natututo. So sa akin naman, siguro funniest mistake, saglit lang siya kasi yung ginagawa ko is may time kasi specific time kung kailan mo i-access yung phones, ganyan. And namali lang ako ng access kasi that time nag-flexi work ako, maaga akong nag-in. So nawala sa isip ko na, later pa pala akong mag-i-in dapat doon or later ko pa dapat gagawin yung task na yun. Kaso meron na palang gumagawa doon. So pagka-open ko, meron na palang gumagawa. Syempre ako natakot ako, bigla ako na-exit ng window. I'm so sorry, ganun. Tawa ko ng tawa sa sarili ko kasi wala pa pala yung time ko. So yun yung pinaka-funniest mistake naman sa akin na-experience ko. Pero ayun, matututo naman ako na okay, i-check mo ulit muna kasi kung anong oras ka mag-access doon para hindi ka nagkakamali. Alam mo ka mamaya na naka-interfere ako doon sa ginagawa kasi nag-access ako, nandun pala sila. So ayun lang nasa.
Wow, hindi naman siya sobrang grabe, di ba?
Hindi naman po grabe.
You'll never learn talaga if hindi tayo nagkakamali.
Yes.
It's part of the experience din talaga.
Yep.
Okay, thank you for sharing that one, Miss Angelica. Next question I have here, Miss. What's one thing you didn't expect to enjoy about remote work? Especially that this is your first time working remotely, right? So, what's one thing you didn't expect to enjoy about working remotely?
Okay, sa akin naman hindi ko in-expect yung peace na na mabibigay sa akin ng remote work. So, kasi dati problem ko talaga, kailangan kong gumising ng maaga kasi prepare pa ako, tapos magbabiyahe pa ako, makikipagpagawan pa ako ng jeep. Talagang kung hindi lang ako babae, sumabit na ako, totoo po yun, para lang makapasok ako ng trabaho. Pero ngayon, pag uwi ko, dati kasi pag uwi ko, wala na akong time sa sarili ko, like slack off na ako, palit ng damit, di magpo-phone, hanggang sa makatulog na, like paulit-ulit na siya, hanggang sa parang mababurnout ka na lang, ganyan. And then ngayon, since nag-remote work ako, mas naging balance na yung routine ko. So, mas naging productive na ako sa work. At the same time, may oras na ako para sa sarili ko, sa friends ko, and sa family ko. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko dito sa Remote Jobs Philippines, no. Kunwari, this day, pasok ako, pero niyaya ako ng friends ko na, uy, kita naman tayo, ganyan, kasi di ka na nakikita, ganyan. And then, bag-in ako ng maaga, para makaalis ako ng maaga, basta ma-finish ko lang yung work ko, lalo na yung mga yung tasks ko na merong time. Pag after ko matapos to, sige, sama ako sa inyo. So, yung nagustuhan ko, like, parang feeling ko more alive na ako ngayon, na parang mas na-experience ko na yung mga bagay na hindi ko na-experience before, na ang dami kong excuses, hindi pwede, ganyan. Ngayon, totoo lang, meron na akong time sa sarili ko. So, kaninang morning, katulad kanina, nag-morning walk ako, naka 7 kilometers ako, pagdating ko, ligo, natulog ako, then nagising ako ulit. Tapos, ay na, nag-login na ako, nag-prepare na ako ng saglit for this interview. Yung feeling ko ngayon, mas alive na ako, and parang nagkakaroon na talaga ako ng time for myself. So, yun yung sobrang appreciate ko talaga, sobrang grateful ako, working remotely. Yun po.
I'm so happy na yun yung experience mo, Miss. Kasi yun nga yung ano natin, like before, instead na yung nung oras na pwede natin gamitin sa sarili natin, but explore more about ourselves, mas nabukol natin siya sa traffic, sa preparation, more preparation, lalo na paghihintay ng jeep, ng ganon, sobrang init pa, sobrang sabok pa. And now, I'm so happy na shock pa rin talaga ako sometimes. But first time ko talaga working remotely, napapasok, ay, meron pala trabahong ganito. Like, free ng oras, or although not all ha, lalo hindi lahat, like, merong flexible schedule. But working remotely in general talaga, more about yourself, parang ganun talaga. And your family also. So, more time talaga with yourself and with the family talaga. And friends, it's really important din. Same with you, Miss. Yan din yung ano ko. Hindi ko na-expect na what remote work can really give to us. Really fulfilling, no, na we are working here. I'm really grateful talaga. We have time for yourself. Meron ng time si Miss Angelica mag-jogging, guys.
Yes. Time na ako. No more excuses.
So, yun. It's really important talaga. So, working remotely din, dapat we have like work-life balance din talaga. Diba? Hindi lang puro trabaho. It's okay din to have jogging, something like that. Para isolated na tayo eh. Tayo lang talaga ang gagawa. Pero meron na tayong time to
Yes.
explore more. So, I'm so happy to you, Miss Angelica. Next question I have here, Miss. Actually, maybe 2 questions na lang I have here is, what's one word that best describes your experience here and why?
Sa akin siguro, learning. For me, continuous learning talaga mahalaga. Hindi yung, okay, provided na nga si SOP and all. Sa akin kasi, siguro, palitan na lang natin. Curiosity. Curiosity na lang. So sa akin kasi, parang as long as curious ka, marami ka talagang malalaman eh. Kapag kunwari ginagawa mo na itong isang task na to everyday, so mapapisip ka, ano pa kayong pwede kong gawin para mas mapabilis kong magawa itong task na to, syempre, para makapag-deliver din tayo ng maayos na output, kila boss, ganyan. So, continuous lang din na pagiging curious sa mga bagay-bagay. Doon ka rin kasi matututo. And also, from making mistakes, totoo naman yun. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kailangan magkamali ka na para matuto ka. Doon ka kasi matututo. Yun yung truth doon. Pero yun, by staying curious kasi, mas lalo akong natututo sa mga bagay-bagay. Mas na-explore ko yun. Yung mga wala akong ideas before na, okay, ganito pala. Kunwari, nagtitingin ako sa mga VA na pages, ganyan. Naging curious ako na, anong term to? Ano kayang niche to? So, by staying curious, mas marami ka talagang malalaman, mas marami ka rin matututunan.
Wow. I'm so happy that RPG was able to provide you with that one. Mas na
Yes.
widen or na broaden pa yung parang pagiging curious mo sa iba't ibang bagay talaga.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really important in if you are working as a virtual assistant, like don't just stay with one niche. Like you just stay with one niche or one niche kasi kung VA talaga, hindi lahat not all company are providing you with training. Other company dapat equip ka na lahat-lahat.
Opo, totoo po yan.
And I'm so happy, RPJ talaga, kahit meron kang experience or wala kang experience, they still provide you with this, ganon. And eventually, in the long run, it will, like, super helpful talaga in our end. Just one niche, guys. Upskill yourself, really upskill yourself. Go lang ng go, eventually, it will really help us in the near future. And I'm so happy that Miss Angelica's curiosity was, like, na-broaden talaga. Mas nagiging,
Yes.
mas curious ka pa. You're here at RPJ. That's good. Like, learning is a lifelong process talaga. And yan din yung gusto ko. Parang curious ako sa, like, kahit anong gagawin. Curious talaga ako. Dahil eventually, if we learn that, it will be helpful for us. Yun
Yes,
lang, diba?
totoo po yan.
So, ang ganda nun. Ang ganda yung sinabi. You are here. Your experience has been, you are really, really curious.
Yep.
Diba? So, ganda. Kasi yung iba sasabihin na, it's really amazing, it's really peaceful. But sa'yo, yung sinabi mo, ang madi-describe mo talaga dito, your experience here, you've been really curious. Ganon. It's really important for, yeah, parang positive na salita talaga, yung pagiging curious natin. So
Yes.
yun, wow. Thank you so much for that question,
Thank you.
Angelica. And my last question to you, Miss, would be, this is really important for our viewers or sa mga nanonood dito. What would you say to someone who's thinking of joining the company? So, just want you to be honest. What's your honest message to them? Or what ask someone who's thinking to joining or who's thinking of joining the company?
Okay, so message ko lang po kung, for example, nagdadalawang isip pa kayo na kung worth it ba na mag-join dito sa RPJ. Ako, for my experience, sabi ko talaga na worth it siya. And also, a great learning experience din. Marami ka talaga matututunan. And also, sa mention ko kanina, may performance bonus din. So, pag ginalingan mo talaga, mas lalo ka pang may encourage na to do more and to be better. So, before kasi hindi ko na-realize yung time na masisave ko sa remote work. No? Pati energy and mental peace na rin pala kasama na rin doon. So, kung gusto nyo rin nag-aim din kayo na hindi na kayo masistress sa traffic, araw-araw, kaya mas ma-improve yung overall routine nyo, I suggest na you try. Siyempre, you'll never know unless you try, diba? So, be more a risk taker. Yun yung natutunan ko dito. Siyempre, coming from an office job work, ito yung first remote work ko, no? So, take some risk, no? Nasa isip ko lang din kasi ngayon is you only live once, no? You live your life to the fullest. Try mo. Normal lang dadalawang isip ka, syempre. Pero malalaman mo lang din yung pag tinry mo. And also, nagustuhan ko rin dito sa RPJ, lahat yung kailangan mo provided na nila yan. So, hindi ka na mahirapan whether mag-switch ka man from IT ka to VA work, walang problema. Kung may experience ka man o wala, matututunan ka dito. And meron mga trainings sila na ipoprovide for you. So, hindi yun yung magiging problem. Yun lang naman po.
So, sorry naman. Sige, friend, bigyan mo nga ako ng link dyan para makapag-apply ka.
Sige po. Bigyan ko po kayo ng link.
That's really important, no? Yun yung sinabi mo, be a risk taker talaga.
Yeah.
Yan lang talaga yung puhunan natin pag tayo ay parang nag-a-apply. Even though it's not working remotely, kahit saan, we have to be a risk taker. Hindi natin malalaman kung hindi natin susubukan. Ganon.
Yes po.
Ganon lang talaga. So, I'm really proud of you, Angelica, from transitioning from corporate to remote work, that you took the risk talaga. And eventually
Yes.
now, masasabi mo ba na worth it working here at RPJ?
Worth it na worth it po.
So happy. Eventually, just, I know, hindi mo pa masabi, like, really fully, but I'm so happy na nasasabi mo na it's really worth it here talaga. And eventually, more and more pa talaga na masasabi ko, I can't leave RPJ now.
Yes.
Parang eventually, soon.
Soon.
Wala na akong rason pa kuha na yung RPJ. Kasi yan na yung experience ko ngayon. So hopefully, ikaw din, may experience mo din yan. Mapapasabi ka rin, okay, I can't leave RPJ. Na talaga. So, yeah. I think that's it, Miss Angelica. That wraps for today's conversation. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for sharing your experience. And I know a lot of people will be able to, how do you call it, relate to this also. Relate to your journey, to your experience, and really, like, parang gusto nilang, or parang yung mga sinasabi mo ngayon, yan lang yung hinihintay nila na marinig for them to start talaga. So, I'm hoping that you guys, if you're watching this and you're curious about remote work or becoming a VA, I hope that Miss Angelica's story gives you a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scenes talaga. And if you feel like also, guys, like this is something you want to explore, you want to consider RPJ, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment in the comment section. So yun lang. Again, Miss Angie, thank you so much for your time. I really enjoyed talking with you. And hopefully this is not the last time that testimonial.
Yes.
Soon, more months to you and more years to us, sana, hanggat hindi mawawala yung RPJ. Dito pa rin
Yes.
tayo. So, just continue doing your best because eventually it will be going to be paid off. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, don't forget to LSC, subscribe and comment to our videos. And soon, ngayon nanonood lang kayo, soon kayo na yung ma-interview ko for testimonial, like Miss Angie. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, Miss Marian.
And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Okay, grabe naman sa 30 minutes.